Hey again, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com. And this year in my garden, I grew a lot of jalapenos. I love using jalapenos for different dishes, but one of my friends gave me the idea to make jalapeno bread, which I had never made before. So in this video, I am going to show you my process of making jalapeno bread using the bread maker. I just want to be clear, I do not make bread from total scratch. I do use a bread maker. We'll get into it right after this. Before I do anything, I start with about a half a cup of chopped onions. Once those get brown in color, I go over to my bread maker and put in a half a cup of sour cream, one-eighth cup of water, and 1 egg. Next is 2 cups of flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. That was 1 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and that was 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. After we put in the baking soda, we're going to go ahead and add our cheese. I like to use cheddar cheese, but you could use whatever cheese you like, and that is 1 cup of cheese. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in my half a cup of sauteed onions. It added a really good extra punch of flavor to the bread. It added something that was needed. It was really good. I also add in my jalapenos at this point. They are 3 chopped jalapenos and the seeds have been removed. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and put in the yeast. That's 1 1/2 teaspoon of active yeast. If you're familiar with making bread or bread machine, you want to make sure you have that little pocket so the yeast stays in one place until the machine starts to mix the dough so the liquid doesn't touch the yeast. I'm going to go ahead and set my machine on light crust, basic bake for a 2-pound loaf. The loaf is finally done. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of my bread maker and get it onto a plate. And here is the final product. It is a lovely golden jalapeno cheddar loaf. You can see the pieces of jalapeno. You can't really see the pieces of onion. They're sauteed, they're small, but it definitely adds to the flavor. This is bread that I recommend eating hot, fresh, out the bread maker, Or if you want to toast it later, definitely do that too. I like to put either butter or cream cheese on this. Cream cheese kind of reminds me of a jalapeno popper. So delicious. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. I do food and travel here all the time. And don't forget to hit that like button, and that helps my channel out. I will see you guys next time. Bye!